First and foremost, the opening of this is just opening of the tip of the iceberg. अजून काहीच नाही. 6 कोटी जे they're trying to showcase and make a big issue out of it definitely needs to be investigated. But Louis Bajaran जितले हांगा केला, especially MOPA or further part of JICA which needs to be looked into. It's surprising that neither the people from the ruling nor opposition have been vocal about it, asking for investigation. नाल्यार एकामेकाचेर सगळ्यात ते काडटाले की चौकशी करची म्हणून, सोदून काडचो म्हणून. पूण हे आतां लास्ट इतले दीस जाल्यार द पुलीस हॅव स्टार्टेड इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन. But none of the political leaders, so-called political leaders, the ruling or the opposition party are calling for any of these things. So it definitely gives a part of a doubt to everybody's mind of the people at large की कितें चल्लां काय म्हणून. आनी म्हाका दिसता मोपाची चवकशी करची पडटली. मोपाची चवकशी करची पडटली कित्याक इफ दीस गव्हर्मेंट इज टॉकिंग अबाउट ट्रान्सपरन्सी एंड अकाउंटेबिलिटी, they have to ask us, since they have asked investigation the Louis Berger regarding JICA, they should also ask regarding MOPA and get clear things. Maybe they can use the Minister of External Affairs and everything which is there at center and state level to get proper transparency. समज कोणे कितें खाला कितें केला, JICA आणि मोपाचो बॉम्ब रोखडोच फुटपाचो आसात नाल्यार रे. I don't think because there are too many issues of this government. It might be regarding beach cleaning, it might be regarding MOPA, it might be regarding so many other issues. Scams are in the line, so how many scams are you going to talk in a budget session? But I feel this assembly, either way, they have not given us time to talk. तांचो time दवरला, so at least they should be talking, and I expect them to give this 1 hour of discussion. फूल दीस ना, एक वर तरी डिस्कशन दिवपाक जाय जातून दे हॅव टू फायंड आउट अँड कम बॅक ऑन लुईस बर्जर एज अ कन्सल्टंट. देर वॉज अनदर proposal of a ceiling proposal which went from Vasco to the Dona Paula. I think that also needs to be investigated. 100 crores consultancy was spent on that also. 76 crores I believe also is being paid to them. So असे consultants are in the last few years of this government and the earlier government, that consultants itself need to be investigated now with the opening of such problems, scams. आणि हे सगळे जाग्यार समज घालतले जाल्यार there has to be a separate select committee doing this which can have some independents or somebody along. They cannot do it by themselves because today the way it is going, it looks like a coalition of the ruling and the opposition parties. The particular issue has to be raised in a particular forum, but this has to be regarding the consultants appointed, the scams which are there, not only of JICA and not only of MOPA, but all projects which have been taken under consultancy in the last few years by these two governments.